Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Ramstein format countries announce $4 billion in new support for Ukraine, including air defense, artillery and drones. Member countries of the Ramstein format Ukraine Defense Contact Group have announced new contributions to support the armed forces of Ukraine. The Ministry of Defense of Ukraine said partners announced a total of $4 billion in assistance. The support includes approximately $1 billion for the prioritized Ukraine requirements list mechanism. The Pearl mechanism helps provide critically needed missiles for Patriot air defense systems. Ahead of the 35th Ramstein format meeting, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky and Defense Minister Mikhailo Fedorov met partner representatives. They included NATO Secretary-General Mark Rutte, German Defense Minister Boris Pistorius and UK Defense Secretary Dan Jarvis. Zelensky also addressed member countries of the Ukraine Defense Contact Group. He thanked them for their support and called on partners to maintain the pace of assistance across Ukraine's key defense priorities. At the meeting, partners announced approximately $1 billion in support through the Pearl mechanism. The ministry said the funding will help provide Ukraine with PAC-3 missiles for air defense. The contributions were announced by the Netherlands, Sweden, Germany, Iceland, Latvia, Spain, Lithuania, Norway and Australia. Germany will also procure $200 million worth of Patriot missiles through Jumpstart. Jumpstart is a mechanism that enables long-term contracts for the supply of US-made weapons to Ukraine. The United Kingdom will procure $330 million worth of radars and air defense systems using proceeds from frozen Russian assets. Partners also announced funding for artillery ammunition procurement. Approximately $540 million will be allocated to procure extended-range artillery ammunition. Contributions to this priority area were announced by Norway, Denmark, Lithuania, Luxembourg and Spain. The ministry said some of the support will be provided through the Czech initiative. Partners also announced new drone procurement initiatives. The support includes funding for Ukrainian drone production to meet the needs of Ukraine's forces. In total, more than $1 billion in drone-related support was announced. The Netherlands will direct its assistance towards cruise missile drones for the defense forces of Ukraine. Norway will support the procurement of unmanned surface vessels. The United Kingdom will procure 150,000 Ukrainian-made drones using proceeds from frozen Russian assets. Sweden will also contribute to strengthening Ukraine's drone capabilities. The ministry did not provide further details on the Swedish contribution. Ramstein format participating countries will also provide funding for electronic warfare systems and infantry fighting vehicles. The package will also cover explosives and the development of training centers in Ukraine. Defense Minister Mikhailo Fedorov thanked partners for support that he described as important and effective. The ministry said the assistance strengthens Ukrainian forces and delivers tangible results on the battlefield. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write at @ Electronics Technology 50.